Welcome to iLife. Today we are going to discuss about V3s Max model, and here is the package content which you will receive it, and I am going to explain you every feature, maintenance, everything. And this is the docking station where you can charge the machine, and like you can see the adapter as well, and the adapter is 19 volts, and you need to charge for the first time 8 to 9 hours, and normally it will take 4 to 5 hours, but for the first time you need to charge it. And here is the extra side brushes and the filter which you get in the package, and these are all the extra, and one set will be already attached, even the filter and the side brush as well. And here is the the mopping base, and which you should attach it when you need mopping. So the mopping base with a mopping cloth attached. Here is the dust bag. The quantity of this is 1000 ml, and you need to insert it. Suppose if you don't want to use a dust tank, instead of that you can use this dust bag, which is the disposable one. And coming to remote control, this is a remote control. It works with mobile as well, and the remote is optional here. And finally, this is the dust tank. The dust tank has 600 ml, and here you can see the dust will be collected in this dust tank, and you can empty all the time. And this is water tank. The quantity is 200 ml. In this we need to fill the water when we need a mopping feature. And here is the user manual, so every features and maintenance part, errors, everything here it will be mentioned. And this is the V3s Max model, and you can see the back side also. I will show you. And here is the charging dock, and for the first time, as I told, we need to charge it for at least 8 to 9 hours. Normally it will charge 3 to 4 hours every day, but for the first time you need to charge it for 8 hours. And this is the adapter, 19 volts adapter and a normal 5 amps plug, and we need to connect the pin here. So you can see the left side for the charging dock, there is a pin to connect. So just connect it and give the power supply, so the green light will start blinking on the top of the docking station. So you need to keep this charging dock on the ground. It should not be under the furniture, so basically it should be in the free space, like left, right and forward. There should be at least 3 to 4 feet distance. And here you can see, once you keep it on the ground, so this is the machine, like you need to keep it on the top of the. Now I'm going to explain you about the power switch. So here you can see, when you open the lid, so there is a power switch. So 0 is off, 1 is on. So when we turn to 1 on the top of the robot, you will get the green light indication, which is like it is ready to use, so you can start using the machine. So here it will show the green light. And now next I will explain about the dust tank, everything. Dust tank is the quantity of 600 ml, and the filter is already attached in this, so where the dust will be collected here. So if you want only vacuuming, so you can use this dust tank. And here is the filter, and the HEPA filter is not washable with water, so it is you need to clean it with the cleaning brush, or just tap it on the floor or somewhere, so the dust will get only. And this is the cleaning brush actually, so you can clean with that cleaning brush the filter, and when you want to reuse it, you can put it back. And here you can see the backside portion, so where the dust will be collected. And to remove the dust from the dust tank, so there is a button So here just press it, it will get open and the dust will get empty. On this portion, if you want, you can wash it with water, but make sure if you want to use it for next usage, so the dust tank should be completely dry and the filter should not wet. So make sure the filter should not wet and it should be completely dry. And yeah, so this is about the dust tank. So if you want to use only for vacuuming, so just put only the dust tank, so it will do only vacuuming. And now coming to water tank, so the mopping function. So here is the water tank, so the quantity is 200 ml, and in this water tank we should not use any disinfectants. You can see is where you want to fill where you need to fill the water. So just open it and fill the 200 ml water. So only pure water, better to use RO water inside the water tank. So don't add any disinfectants inside the water tank. And once you fill the water, so close the lid and then you can fix it. So when you don't want a mopping, just don't fill the water in the water tank, just put the empty tank. And this is the mopping base, so which has you can remove it after usage, and if you want you can wet the mopping cloth before you fix it to the machine, because it will take some time to get wet. In terms of droplets, it will release the water, so better you can wet it so that so once it's done, you can fix it like this, or you can attach the dry cloth also. It will get wet, but it takes some time. So once we fix the water tank, so here the dust tank is already attached. When we need a simultaneous work, so we need to attach the mop base and the vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. And from front it will do vacuuming and from back it will do mopping. So that's how the simultaneous work will happen. And here you can see basically when you want a simultaneously, so you should avoid using the robot on carpet or it will damage the carpet. So you should use it only on the normal floor. And when it is water tank both together attached, so it does automatically, it will sense whether it should do vacuuming or mopping. So there is no separate option to choose the vacuuming and mopping. So according to the tanks inserted, so the robot will automatically sense whether it should do vacuuming or mopping. So here is the dust bag, and I'll show you how to insert the dust bag. So instead of dust tank, we can use the dust bag, and the quantity is 1000 ml. And you can see there is a gap to insert this dust tank. Just put it one side first and then just bend a little bit, so it will get attached there. So you can just pull it down, so it will get fixed. And once it get full, so after the dust tank is when you don't want to wash the dust tank, and once it is full, so just pull it out, and you can see here, so you can close this dust bag, just the top one, so just pull up, so it will get closed, so you can throw this. So this dust bags, normally you will get 3 in the packet. And again you can see here, so the entire package content. So the now I'm going to explain about the remote control. So the remote control has a most of the features actually. So the navigation part and the spot cleaning, everything. So first I will explain here the navigation keys. So there is a left, right, move forward and backward the keys. So basically if you want to navigate it, so suppose if you want to clean one particular area, just press left, right and move forward to navigate it. But basically the robot should be in stable condition. So it should, when it is running, suppose when it is doing vacuuming or mopping, so it will not work for these options. You should pause it and then press left and right everything, so it will work. And here is the scheduling option. So the robot will works according to your schedulings, and for that there is a 2 buttons here. So one is clock symbol, the clock button, and the scheduling button. So before scheduling you should set the clock timing first. So you just want to press the scheduling button, the clock symbol, and with the help of the top and the down arrow keys, set the timing. So whatever the current time, so the local time you should fix. Once it's done, so you can press the clock button again, and this is the scheduling option. So once you just tap it, the down one, the top one will start blinking. So adjust the timing. So suppose if you want to schedule it for 6 o'clock or 7, so according to that, so schedule it with the help of that arrow buttons. Once it's done, press that, it will get fixed. So according to your schedule, the robot will automatically start vacuuming or mopping, and it will do by itself. And here is the spot cleaning. Suppose if you want the cleaning to be done only in one specific area, so navigate the robot to that specific area and press spot cleaning. So the robot cleans spirally at that area itself. So it will clean for 2 feet or 3 feet. And this is the max mode. The max mode is for to increase the suction power. So the suction power will be maximum 2000, more than 2000, and by default it will use 1000 pascal suction power. So when you press the max mode, so it will increase the suction power, but when it will consume more power. And here is the home button. So robot, basically if you want to send it to the docking station manually, so you can press the home button, the robot will go. And this is the edge cleaning. Suppose if you want to clean only the edges and corners of your entire house, so you can select the edge cleaning. So this is about the remote control. And here is the mobile app, and the app name is ILIFE Home application. So this will be available for both Android and iPhone. So for the first time, so when you download the ILIFE Home application, so you need to create an account. So there is an option called sign up. So it will ask for email ID, password. So you can create an account with the help of your email ID. It will get you will get a verification code and all. And once it's done, log in with your credentials, and you can see different the model names here, and select a V3s Max. And for the first time, just select just make sure the robot should be turned on. And you can see on the top of the robot, so you can see the robot is already switched on, and select the next clip, and then there is an option called BP's heard. So just long press on the pause and play button, so the Wi-Fi symbol start blinking on the top of the machine. And then now go to the settings and give your Wi-Fi password, and it should be connect to the 2G network only. So it should not connect to, it will not support for 5G network. We connect it, and the next step, it is searching for your home Wi-Fi network. And then here click on settings, and you need to select a robot Wi-Fi network, which is ADH. So select it, and now go back. It will start searching, and confirm it again. This time also you should confirm it only 2G network. By default it will automatically connect to 5G, but make sure your connection should be in 2G until the robot get connected. And now click on save. You can rename also if you want. And now this is showing online. So ILIFE V3s Max online. So when you open that, so this is the home page, and you can see the every option here. The home the recharge button, the down home symbol, that is to send the robot to the charging station, and the pause and play button to start and stop the machine, and the cleaning area, cleaning time. All this will show when the robot is moving. So you can see how much area it's been covered and how much time it taken to cover. And there is a charging indication also on top of the rightmost corner. So it will show how much charge is left in the machine. And there is a remote control option here. So all the remote features will be there. You can see left right navigations, max mode to increase the suction power, and the edge cleaning, spot cleaning, and the scheduling option also. All the remote control features. And you can see the edge cleaning means it will cleanse only the edges, and the spot cleaning, as I told you, to clean specific area. And there is a scheduling option. So scheduling, you can in remote you can schedule it for only one particular time for every day, but in mobile you can schedule it for different timings for different room, like every day. And the topmost corner you can find there is a menu bar. If you select it, again you will get this option scheduling. So click on schedule, and there is a cleaning history also. So it will show you everyday cleaning history, and after 7 days it will get erased by itself. And this is the parts maintenance. Suppose if the parts percentage becomes less than 20 or 10%, you need to replace this thing. And this is the suction power. So the suction power, like normally you have to keep it 35 to 40%, which is more than enough. And here is the water level control, and the gentle, standard, on strong. By default it will be in standard, so you can keep it if you want more drippings. Like if you have wooden floor, you can change it to gentle. If you want more water should be done, so you can select a strong. And this is the cleaning mode. S-shape cleaning is for cleaning the entire house without repeating the areas. It will follow the mapping. If you select auto cleaning, so it will cleanse randomly the entire house. So better always choose the S-shape cleaning only. And there is a unit selection. So it will show you the cleaning history in the form of meter square or square feet. And there is a search robot. When you click on search robot, the robot will give you beep sound. Suppose if it gets stuck somewhere, or if you want to find the robot, you can use this. And there is a firmware update, Wi-Fi information, everything. And there is a factory reset also, reset to factory default. If you select it, it will erase the schedulings, everything. And suppose when you want to share a device, so if you click on the more options in the main screen, so there is other options as well. So if you want to share the same mobile application with different mobile also, either you can use the same credentials, or click on share a device, and it will show you the scanner. And in that other mobile you have to select a scan and then scan this. And this is the Alexa connection. You just want to log in to the Amazon, just click on login in Amazon, give your credentials which you given in Amazon app, Alexa application. So it will get connected. So you can give the voice commands also to start and stop the machine. And when you want to unpair the robot, so you can just turn left the screen on the top of the robot, so it will get erased, and again you can repair it when you want. Suppose if you change any Wi-Fi route or password or something. And finally, about the maintenance part, so I'll explain you how to maintain the product. Like if you maintain the product, like cleaning of the dust tank every day. So filter, the HEPA filter is not washable, and the lifetime for the HEPA filter is 3 to 4 months. You need to clean this only with cleaning brush, do not wash with water. And if you want to use the entire water tank, as I said, so please remove the HEPA filter and wash it, and completely dry the dust tank, and then use it for next usage. And the HEPA filter, so for the at least mopping cloth and the filter, everything, you should replace it at least 4 months once if you use it daily basis. And the water tank, this is the mopping base. And the cloth also, suppose if you want to use any disinfectants, so you can sprinkle it on the floor, or you can wet the mopping cloth with a Lysol or Dettol, any other disinfectants. So because anyway it will not collect any dirty water, so it will not spoil the water tank. So better to put it on the floor or mopping cloth itself. Don't use it any disinfectants inside the water tank. And you can wash the mopping cloth every day. And here you can see the side brushes. So the side brushes, sometimes the hairs will get stuck into the side brushes, so at least once in a week you need to clean this side brushes. And the side brushes, so just remove the hairs, everything which is tangled to that, and you just want to pull it out. It will come easily with the help of two hands. And once it's done with the cleaning, and there is a nose wheel as well, so you just want to hold it and just pull it out. This will come out, and you can clean that area as well with a cleaning brush which is attached in dust tank. So clean it and put it back. And again, if you want to like clean the wheels also, so you can just take a tissue. Click detecting sensors here, so this will help the robot to sense the staircases and all. So just take one tissue or dry cloth, just wipe it, because sometimes the dust will get attached there.